learned so much about the cocoa tree, seed, chocolate. It was so educational and so fun. Tasting the chocolate through every step of its process, then making delicious bars, then creating my own wrapper. Beyond fun experience. My husband and I talked about the whole way home. Mauricio was the best host. We'll be back. The instructors were knowledgeable, interactive, and fun. They were super informative and gave clear directions. It was a great time from beginning to end. Being able to take home the chocolate you've made was fantastic. Excellent session to learn on the processes of growing cacao, readying the fruit for chocolate making, and then making wonderful bars. Mauricio was excellent host, very knowledgeable, and the chocolate was divine. We had a wonderful time at Taper Chocolates. Our guide made the experience both fun and informative as we learned the entire process of making chocolate, from cacao bean to bar. The best part was creating our own chocolate bars with delicious fillings. A sweet and memorable highlight of our trip to Costa Rica. The experience was wonderful. I had a great time learning about the history of chocolate. The host was respectful and informative, helping as much as he can. This was absolutely a very fun and personal event. We learned so much about chocolate making, and the cocoa bean. The best part was learning about the actual fruit and creating the Jessie bar. Great class and even better chocolate. Expert was very knowledgeable and helpful. You get 2 bars per person and add your own ingredients. Amazing experience. We learned so much about the product and process of the making. We left with 4 chocolates we made ourselves. A nice surprise for my wife that is loving chocolate. You get back one with 2 chocolates bars that you made. The guy is having a lot of energy, and is really passionate. We spend a nice afternoon. This chocolate making experience was fantastic. Super interesting, fun, and full of fascinating facts. We learned so much and enjoyed every moment. Making our own chocolate bars from scratch was the highlight. I definitely recommend it. You'll never look at chocolate the same way again after this tour. This class was awesome. They were very knowledgeable and were able to explain the making and history in multiple languages. We got a history of chocolate and cocoa. We were able to try the cocoa bean in various stages and make our own chocolate. We even got to decorate the boxes our chocolate was wrapped in. I highly recommend this class to everyone, including children. The instructor was very pleasant from the moment we walked in the door. It was a very informative and fun experience overall. Highly recommend as an activity if you're in Costa Rica.